back to the channel. So today I'll be installing these uprated PUMASPEED'S Racing Ignition Coils. They cost me £110 including delivery. So what are the benefits of these over the OEM ignition coils? So the benefits over the OEM ignition coils are, this is what PUMASPEED states: these give you 10% more energy output than OEM. They optimise engine performance, leading to better fuel efficiency. These give a stronger and more consistent spark, better throttle response and smoother idling, and improved fuel consumption. Anyway, less talking. I'll get these new ignition coils from PUMASPEED installed, and I'll see if they improve the car's overall drivability. So first thing you're going to want to do is take off the oil cap. Make sure you don't drop anything down it. And you've got to remove this top engine cover. Put it to one side. There's the OEM ones. Let's put this little cap back. So you're going to unclip this little grey tab here and unplug them. There we go, second. And the third one. So now it's just these little nuts, I think, was it? That's first guess, not bad that. It's so it's 8mm to get these little nuts. So it's 2 nuts per ignition coil. So I'm going to put the foam down and remove these. So I've taken the bolts out of the first one. Just remove it. There's the OEM one. Try and find which one that one is. I think it's it. That's that one there. So just looking at them, doesn't look any different really, apart from the colouring and the PUMASPEED logo. So I'll put the OEM one there, and that should just so what I have noticed, when you install the new ignition coils, it's a bit annoying, the logo's upside down, but I suppose you're not going to see it when you've got the engine cover on anyway, are you? So I'm going to go ahead and remove the last 2 ignition coils now, take the bolts out and install the other PUMASPEED ignition coils, and then we'll give the car a start and take it for a drive to see if you notice an improvement in throttle response, drivability of the car, better fuel consumption. So all the bolts put back in. You just have to put these little plug clips. There we go, there's one. All the plugs are installed in the new ignition coils. So just got to put the cover back on. So I'm going to give the car a start now after installing the new PUMASPEED ignition coils. So this morning I'm going to take the car out for a test drive after fitting the new PUMASPEED Racing Ignition Coils, and I'm going to see if I feel a difference. If I feel I get better throttle response, which he states you should do. You're supposed to get 10% more power output, which I don't think will feel really. I should get smoother idling, which I feel I am getting at the moment. It seems to be settling down quicker than it was before. I don't know if that's an issue with something else that's dirty, like a MAF sensor, spark plugs, you know, things like that. But I'll probably do another video on that, reason for like bad idling, etc. But I'll stick with this one at the moment. So yeah, I'll also see if it's, you know, eliminated this hesitation I've been getting under acceleration. I don't know if you've had it before, where you instantly put your foot down, and then it seems to like there's something holding you back a tiny bit, and then all of a sudden power comes in, and then you start accelerating. So I'll see if it's got rid of that, because if you've not watched the channel before, this was initially a Mk3 Focus 1 litre EcoBoost 125 Navigator. You can watch all the videos I've done, but it's now a PUMASPEED'S Stage 2 about 175 bhp with all the bits put on it. So I've, like I said, I've fitted these PUMASPEED'S Racing Ignition Coils. So you don't know the OEM ignition coils, they might not have been as, you know, powerful enough to, you know, support the Stage 2 remap. But so we're supposed to get 10% more power output with these new ignition coils. So like I say, I'll see if it eliminates the hesitation under acceleration. So without further ado, I'll get on with the drive. Absolutely freezing this morning. So right away I can feel there I'm not getting that hesitation under acceleration anymore. I think it was pretty, it felt pretty strong then. Second gear, third gear, but it felt quite good. There wasn't anything that's holding the car back, so to speak. Put it into the sport plus on the pedal commander, obviously -3. I feel the good thing to me, I'm not getting that hesitation anymore. That's a plus of having these new racing ignition coils. I think the throttle response is a tiny bit better, and I've got the pedal commander on as well with different settings, like I said. So it does feel a bit more powerful actually. And like I say, but the good thing for me is when you plant your foot straight away or whatever, out in second gear, there's no hesitation or anything holding you back or delay or anything. So maybe these new ignition coils with that 10% extra power output, they support the the ignition coils support the remap better than the OEM ones. Maybe the OEM ones aren't powerful enough to, you know, work alongside that upping of power maybe. Well, like I say, I can't go too mad because it's been, like I say, it's been icy. I just wanted to try and document with you that if they can feel any improvement from the OEM ones. Straight away, I've not, it's been a couple of minutes since I left the house, and like I say, the pros, no hesitation under acceleration. car does feel a tiny bit quicker. I'm not saying it's added you know, loads of VHP. Probably hasn't added any VHP. It just supports the remap better than the OEM ones did. But from what I'm feeling at the moment, for the first drive, it does feel like it's improved the car slightly. Let's just say it supports the modifications the remap have done so far. About fuel consumption, well, I can't really talk about that because I've just been flooring it. So I'll have to let you know after a while of driving it more sensibly if it's improved the fuel consumption. But yeah, my initial reaction for the drivability, you know, sudden acceleration, definitely have improved the car over the OEM ignition coil. So all I can say is that if you've remapped your car to stage 1, or even if you got to stage 2, I think these ignition coils give it a little bit of an extra, you know, support. They must give a stronger spark than the OEM ones. They must struggle because, like I say, I felt like when I went to stage 2 after a while, it was just hesitating. And just installed these. It's running like a dream, really. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, and click on the bell icon for more notifications of new content. And also check out the channel membership with the perks. So like certain videos only members can watch, and early access to videos. So just check it out on the channel. But like I say, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.